Always so great to see our friend Heather Leverage with Conservatory of the Ozarks. How are you, my friend?
Great. How are you?
Doing so well. Better now that we see you.
Aw, thank you.
It's so great. We love. Just remind our viewers what Conservatory of the Ozarks is.
Oh, Conservatory of the Ozarks is my voice and piano studio. I primarily teach voice lessons to adults here in Springfield. And I started the studio in 2008, so it's been around. And this is my 20th year teaching voice and piano lessons this year. So
Congrats.
Nice.
thank
Congrats.
Now, of course, you know, when you said that, okay, adults, students, adults, kids too, and you're going to be featured this year coming up at Artsfest.
Yeah, we're going to be performing on the show wagon stage at the intersection of National and Walnut.
Down toward the end,
It's
right?
the end stage. It's a nice big stage, and they've got a great sound system always. So we're competing with the corn dogs and the lemonade, but please stop by. You can sit and listen, you know, while we're performing and you're enjoying your treats. And we have a lot of great performances students have been working to share with the community at Artsfest. So
How do you decide which songs the students are going to be performing?
I really like to collaborate with my students about song choices as opposed to just telling them what to do. I don't know if they would agree with me on that. I try to, because my students have a lot of great ideas. I'd say a shortcoming for me is I never have gotten much into contemporary style music. Unfortunately, I'm a classical person. So my students, they know what the cool stuff is, and I never do. So for Artsfest, it's like we want cool music, you know, not arias.
Yeah.
So they'll be like, oh, have you heard of Leve? And I'll be like, no, what?
Oh, give an example of what you would choose. You know, you have someone who is studying with you and they have an idea of a pop song, something that's out, you know, recent. Where might you steer them so they can show what they believe to be the sound they need to produce versus the pop song, classical song?
Well, it depends on the event, of course. So for Artsfest, I tell my students, you want to find a great song, which is a song that has the quality of, it's familiar. You're like, oh, I know that song. Like maybe you can sing along, but it's not a song you've heard like 15 times on the radio that day. So it's like overdone, and it's got a good beat, and it has a clear ending so people know it's time to applaud you at the end. So for this event, and using a karaoke track actually is great for this event because the setup, we don't have a real piano there. We'd have to use a keyboard. So, so I'm like, you should be able to sing with a recorded backing track just like you should be able to sing with a live accompanist, in my opinion. So this is a great opportunity to try to do that. And I occasionally do have my students sing classical music at this event, but usually more like contemporary style music. So one of my students is going to sing Zombie by the Cranberries.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Yeah, another one is going to sing a Leve song. And then there's a whole list of them. But if it was up to me, no one would ever sing anything but opera, of course.
Oh.
So.
Well, I took voice lessons in college, and I had to sing so many art songs in French,
great.
Italian, and German.
Yeah.
Because that's what you had to do.
That's what it tended to be, though. Voice lessons were all the classics.
That's how I was trained. And then I graduated from college and started, you know, in the wild. And everybody wanted to just learn how to sing Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, what? I don't know. Nobody taught me how to teach Taylor Swift.
Right.
Well, you have to understand, too, not every voice lends themselves to Taylor Swift or to this. You may want to sing that song, but that's not in your wheelhouse.
Yeah, that's one of my students and I were talking about that yesterday. She has a light lyric soprano voice. Jaden, she's been here before, and she wishes she had a dramatic, dark mezzo soprano voice so she could sing like the tragic, like dark songs. And sorry, but like,
It has to be believable.
if you're a yellow crayon, you're not going to be used to color the lips on the picture. You know, you got to know what kind of crayon you are, and you got to color the right part of the picture so you can shine.
So when will you be featured at Artsfest? What time, and where can people
Tomorrow, Saturday at 10:30
10:30
a.m. till
okay.
11:30 a.m. Yeah.
So 10:30 to 11:30 at Artsfest. It's going to be an amazing time.
Yes.
Oh, there's the information right there. And how many students will be performing?
Oh, I think about 12.
Oh, nice.
Something like that.
Very nice. This is a great opportunity for them also to
Yes.
put themselves out there in
Yes.
front of an audience, a live audience.
Yeah, it's fun to see. There's always so many people just up and down the street, and even if they don't come and sit down and listen, you know they're hearing you. Sometimes they'll just kind of turn and watch it, and you have this feeling of like, oh, I caught their attention. And so it's a nice feeling to see all down the street so many people, and you're on this big stage. So yeah, it's a great opportunity. We love that they gave us a slot this year.
Do any of your students get stage fright at all, or no?
Oh yeah, of course. Actually, later this month, I'm doing a workshop with my hypnotherapist. She helps with overcoming stage fright with self-hypnosis techniques. And we do a lot of breathing exercises and something called autogenic training to help calm the nervous system before performances. Because yeah, of course, a lot of them struggle with stage fright.
Oh wow! Well, so amazing.
Natural.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, 10:30 to 11:30, Artsfest on Walnut. Thank you so much it's so good to see you.
It's so good to see you.
Tell your students you said break a leg.
I will.
Yeah,
Thank you so
from
much.
both of us. All right, lots more fun after this.